A truly 3D TV voxel artificial bulk reality, network nodes and massive bodies. When you go to an aquarium, a public aquarium, you're looking at their reality from the outside, like these people are doing to these sharks and everything. Same thing with this 3D, a truly 3D TV, physical reality, the backdrop reality of the massive body of the person inside, the form they take. That's a scientific term. Massive bodies matter. And in this case, there's the guy looking in at his girlfriend in her artificial form, in her massive body form that follows the network of these, I call them Jack and Marble network nodes of an artificial reality in the massive bodies which live within the network. The marble would be the massive body. Its surface would have gates that would somehow make its way around all these different sides of this node of a whole frame of nodes. These are separate slices that would be stacked onto each other to create a ball inside. These are the slices, and each of these slices must contain thousands or hundreds, in this case, hundreds of these jack nodes linked together to make a network. These are the jack nodes, and these are the massive bodies that complement each other. These right along this network of these. A bunch of these are connected together to create a body, like the person we see inside. This is a totally new type of 3D display of reality. It seeks to simulate our reality through its basic components, the massive bodies that run along the slices, that run along the network, and to make their transitions from one play position on this network of nodes. They have to have gates inside these little spheres. These are presented as circles that have to have gates that would allow them to cross from one network node to another, or from one position on the network node to another position, or from that position on the network node to another position on another network node entirely, to move this body, which is a basic sphere. All these different slices make up the sphere, which is supposed to be represented here in this bulk of these slices all together. And the networks and slices and the massive bodies that live on them and that travel through them. It's a new type of cartoon type of a way to transition from one node to another, and with this whole bodily form as a sphere. Imagine a sphere moving around inside, the same as you would imagine this girlfriend or this lady moving around inside this network of nodes. This network of these nodes. Her body consists of these marble-like massive bodies that are complementing the nodes in this nodal system. Her massive body, I don't mean to say that in the derogatory sense, but her form would walk around inside here with these massive bodies, opening and closing gates on their surface to attach to the limbs or the arms of these nodes to make their way around the node in all directions and to make their way cross-nodal connections to other nearby nodal connections to make a massive body live within this artificial reality, this simulation of space-time fabric, I guess. And just like the people in the aquarium room watching the sharks, we watch through this truly 3D TV, the artificial bulk reality